Imagine soaring across landscapes at 600 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a commercial airplane on the ground. What if I told you it's possible without wheels? Welcome to Magnetic Levitation, or Maglev Trains. The system operates on the fundamental principles of magnetism. Maglev trains use powerful magnets for lift and propulsion. They float above tracks. This eliminates friction. As a result, they travel smoothly and quickly. Let's dive into the steps that make maglev trains work. First, the train's magnets repel the track's magnets. This creates a cushion of air. The train levitates, floating above the track. Next, powerful electromagnetic forces propel the train forward. This propulsion system is efficient. It reduces wear and tear on the trains themselves. Now, let's discuss the history of maglev technology. The first successful tests of a superconducting maglev train happened in Japan in 1972, at the Japanese National Railways, JNR's, Railway Technical Research Institute. It traveled at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, about 37 miles per hour. Fast forward to today, and we have trains reaching speeds of 600 kilometers per hour. Currently, operational maglev routes are limited to a few key lines, primarily in China, Shanghai Airport, Beijing Line South 1, Changsha, Wuhan, and South Korea, Incheon Airport, plus one experimental high-speed line in Japan, Linimo. It connects the airport to the city center. The trip takes only 8 minutes. But how much do these trains cost? Building a maglev system is expensive. It requires advanced technology and infrastructure. Installing maglev track costs tens of millions of dollars, generally ranging from $11 million to over $50 million per kilometer. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Advantages include speed, efficiency, and low noise. However, the initial investment is high. Maintenance and energy costs can also be significant. So, are maglev trains the future of transportation? With growing demand for fast, reliable travel, they could be. Countries are investing in maglev technology. To summarize, maglev trains represent an exciting advancement in transport. They offer incredible speeds and efficiency. With ongoing development, they may transform our travel experience. We will come with more on maglev technology and the new developments. The quest for knowledge never ends. To keep your curiosity fueled with more scientific and educational insights, make sure to join our community at the Scientific Exploration Network. Hit subscribe and let's keep exploring the unknown together.